The Regula Magistri, a rule of the master, is an anonymous 6th-century collection of monastic precepts. The text of the rule of the master is found in the Concordia Regularum of Benedict of Aniane, who gave it its name. History. The rule of the master was written 2 or 3 decades before Benedict's The Rule of St. Benedict. Unlike the rules of Pachomius, which are a collection of regulations, instructions, and prohibitions concerning the life of the community, the rule of the master contains precise regulations but also a theological and spiritual reflection showing the reason for the regulations. The rule of the master consisted of an introduction followed by 95 chapters. Over 20 chapters are devoted to the divine office. The 4-part introduction comprises a prologue, the parable of the spring, the commentary on the Lord's Prayer and the commentary on the Psalms. The format follows the literary convention of a series of questions. The first part, through chapter 10, discusses spiritual doctrine, the latter portion, monastic discipline. In the parable of the spring, the master invokes Christ's appeal in Matthew chapter 11 verse 29 to "Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am meek and humble of heart." Adalbert de Vogue points out that the master viewed the monastery as a school where one learns from Christ. The first part of the rule is characterized by the abbot's function to teach. One of the writings that influenced the master was St. Augustine's letter 211, which was sent to a community of women founded by Augustine in the city of Hippo. Augustine's writings were well known in the 6th century and his texts on religious monastic life were considered standard. The writings of John Cassian are also indicated. Influence. The Regula Magistri is 3 times as long as Benedict's rule. It was possibly used by St. Benedict as source material for his own rule. The structure of the rules is similar, and there are parallel passages. However, Benedict did not simply copy the Regula Magistri. He deleted some sections, and adapted others based on his own experience, placing more emphasis on fraternal love. Benedict's rule demonstrates a more positive view of human nature than the master. There is no historical record of the Regula Magistri having ever been used by any particular monastic community.